Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Akash here, and you're watching Tech Infinity. The OnePlus 8 series launch that consisted of the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro had left many people happy that OnePlus had finally come out with devices that could actually compete foot by foot with the flagships. But it also left many people disappointed because that wasn't really the part of OnePlus that they loved. They loved that OnePlus made phones at a price where you wouldn't have to sell your kidney to buy OnePlus flagship experience and still have a pretty great device. Well, it seems like OnePlus's trend of slowly increasing the price has kind of left many fans. I don't know what word to use, but I'd like to go with disappointed. And I myself personally was quite disappointed with its price launch in the US and a few other countries, but in India the price were actually a bit better, but still not as well as I would have liked. Now, seems like OnePlus doesn't want to leave us disappointed, and for those of us who are looking for cheaper or more affordable alternatives, there's a device series called the OnePlus Z or the OnePlus 8 Lite. Earlier, it was leaked that this device will actually be coming with a MediaTek Dimensity processor, which might have been a turn off for some people. But now it has been tipped that it will be coming out with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 system on chip with 5G support. And this device is rumored to be unveiled in July 2020. Earlier, we had heard that this device will launch along with the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, but for some reason, OnePlus decided to delay the launch. So, what are the main highlights of this device? I've already told you two of them. The first one is that it is a 5G phone and it will be having a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765. Earlier leaks had shown looks of the phone in reality, but we are not really sure whether that was a fake or an actual leak. This device will be a dual SIM phone with NFC support, and the phone may come with a 6.4-inch display as well as a triple rear camera, and it will be having a 4000 mAh battery and support for 30-watt fast charging. Well, other than that, earlier it was rumored that this device will be coming in with OLED technology display, but a few of the rumors have suggested that it will actually be an IPS display to cut costs, and that in my book would really be disappointing. And OnePlus had once mentioned that they would like to stick with higher refresh rates for their smartphones. So this smartphone might actually come with a 90 Hz display, but OnePlus may actually kind of cut legs of this particular device so that people would actually go for the higher end variant, the OnePlus 8 or the OnePlus 8 Pro. So we'll just have to wait and watch what kind of strategy OnePlus uses. And apart from that, you could expect RAM options to start from 6 gigabytes and storage options to go from 128 gigabytes. And this device particularly will not be having a headphone jack, which is generally the case with the mid-range devices, as companies generally tend to give no headphone jack in flagship devices nowadays, but the mid-range series generally retains jack, but that's not the case sadly here. And after the launch of iPhone SE, it has rattled many smartphone manufacturers a bit. While it may not be the best deal that you could get out there for your price in terms of specification, but still iPhone SE is making waves. So expect that OnePlus will be placing the OnePlus Z more sensibly so that people don't jump over to the OnePlus alternatives like the iPhone SE, or you have smartphones from Motorola, Huawei, Xiaomi, Realme, and there's a lot of competition in the market right now. And I would expect that this device would probably be placed somewhere around the $450 mark, or I'd say a maximum of $500, but I don't think $500 will be a suitable price point for this particular device, especially because you can have the older OnePlus 7 Pro or the OnePlus 7T or even the OnePlus 7T Pro, which are less expensive than the OnePlus 8 series, but around that $500 to $550 mark. So I don't think OnePlus Z is trying to compete with that. So this is pretty much it for this video. That was the sum up of all that we know so far about the OnePlus Z. Do subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more such videos, and I'll see you hopefully in my next video when I make more videos about the OnePlus Z and probably other devices like the Pixel 4a. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.